Good day, everyone. I want to show you guys just a quick few pictures of how I make my lasagna at home. We first chose the ground beef that we wanted. Then we have our lasagna pasta. It doesn't matter which brand, they're all really good. Then we have our eggs with cottage cheese and ricotta cheese that we will be mixing together along with some shredded cheese. And this is the cheese that my husband did buy. He chose all these different type of cheeses because he does love his lasagna or pasta absolutely cheesy. And with this we have the pasta sauce that I like to make. So as I got started, I seasoned the meat, chopped up some onions with it, and I started to get the layers ready. So I got my cottage cheese, ricotta cheese, mozzarella cheese, and eggs all in one bowl. When I mixed it, here we go. And I used the eggs because it holds everything together. And I also have a couple of boxes of the pasta boiling on the stove. Not all the way cooked because the pasta will cook in the oven with the lasagna. Then I start layering my lasagna. So it's be pasta, the meat sauce. Then I start to add all the cheeses and the ricotta cheese and the mozzarella. And do keep in mind that when all of this is happening, you have the oven on 350 to 400 and you put the lasagna with foil paper for about 30 to 45 minutes. Then afterwards, you would take the foil paper off and you can broil it for maybe about 5 minutes and it'll give you that pizza look on top and it's so nice and good. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this quick video on how to make lasagna. And please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.